Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to order on Zalando. So for you to be able to order on that, you'll just need to search zalando.com onto your local browser, and then right after you'll just need to choose the country or the area that you're in. Now, right after you have chosen the area, you'll just have to browse through the different things that they offer or try to choose the item that you want to go ahead and order. So, for example, you want to go ahead and try to buy this long sleeve top. So, just simply click onto that one, and then right after, you could choose in your size, and then you could also add this to your bag already. So, you should be able to see some different information regarding that specific item, so just simply click on to add to bag and then go to bag to complete the order. So you'll have to go to checkout right after for that one. And then once it is already done, you'll just have to sign in first onto your account. Now, once you're already signed in, just choose in the payment method for that. Add in or fill in all of your details, including the shipping address, and then right after, just go ahead and place the order already. And that's just basically it on to placing an order on Zalando. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.